Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to direct message on BlueSky. You can go ahead to your DMs at the bottom middle and click the plus button, and you can start a new conversation with someone if you've seen or if you come across that this user, for example, cannot be messaged. That means that the person, he or she modified their settings to not allow any person to message them, so you can't actually do anything. Your hands is tied. So this is one option. Another option, you could just go ahead and click the search bar from here, okay, and then look for the people that you want to DM, and then you can just go ahead and see next to the follow. You're going to see a DM button, right? And that DM button, that means that they allow messages from different people from the public in general. So unless they change their settings to allow messaging and DMs from other people, you can't really do anything. So basically that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.